Hi, Dwayne Kellum here. This video will show you how you can download the high quality 15 gigabyte version of High Altitude Balloon 24 I See Stars. A few weeks ago I came across another video streaming service called LBRY. This service will allow you to upload video contents for others to view and download. You will need to go to their website and download their software to do this. Once the software has been installed, open the program and type my name exactly like this in the search box. Uppercase V, lowercase w, a, y, n, e, underscore, capital K, lowercase e, l, l, u, m, and then click enter. Go to the first file with my name on it, and then click on it. Then you need to scroll down to High Altitude Balloon 24 ISS Full HD version and click on the download icon to the right next to the heart. The video will then download to your computer. The file is about 15 gigabytes, so it will take a little while for you to download. But once the download has been complete, you'll be able to view the video with your media player. The default location for the downloaded video will be in your download folder. The YouTube version of this video, it tops out at about 4 gigabytes, and you'll be able to see a lot more detail with this version. I hope y'all like it. Y'all take care. Bye.